Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is Wednesday afternoon. There's only 2 days until we have 2 weeks off for half term, and here are today's notices. First up, I want to let you know about a really fantastic opportunity which has become available for some of you to take part in. Now, I know I plug lots of different clubs and lots of different activities and co-curriculum and bits and pieces in these notices every day, but sometimes one of those opportunities is really exceptional. This is not an opportunity that necessarily will be available to you next month or next year. It's something where if you want to be involved, this is probably the one shot you will get to be involved. And this is a project called New Views. And what New Views is it's run by the National Theatre, which is obviously a very prestigious organisation. And it's an opportunity for a few of you to work together over a period of time to write a play. There is then the possibility that if selected, that play could be performed at the National Theatre if it's good enough. So this is a really, really cool thing. It's not just a kind of hang out and write some plays together. It's quite a serious thing. It's organised. It's high level. So I'm looking for those of you who see yourselves as talented writers, as gifted playwrights, as poets. Those of you who have something to say and know how you want to say it, those are the kind of people who we want to be involved. I'm also looking primarily for older students. I think this one's only available this time to years 10 and 11. But if you'd like to be involved in the New Views project with the National Theatre, the first thing you need to do is to send an email to Mrs. Walker, who is running the project with the National Theatre. So that's Mrs. Walker. Her email is k.walker@hollyportcollege.org.uk. Just to let her know that you are interested in being involved. I know she has already approached some of you anyway. Once we've got that kind of initial expression of interest sorted, we'll then work out a weekly time where you can come together in co-curriculum time and do some work on this. It's really exciting. Not only is it exciting, creative, fun, and a really good thing to be involved in, it's also the kind of thing that will look great on a CV or a UCAS form when you apply for university. So there really is no reason not to be doing this if you are interested in writing in theatre and those kind of things. So please do send that email to Mrs. Walker. What else do I have to tell you about? I have to tell you that this evening is sixth form open evening. That means we've got a slight shift in the end of the day. Co-curriculum activities are running as normal. Co-curriculum activities are running as normal, but will finish slightly early. I think boarders can return to house to get changed from, do I want to say 10 past 5. Day students can leave at 20 past 5, go get on the buses, that kind of thing. But co-curriculum is running as normal. What else do I have to tell you about? I think I had one more thing. Oh yes, year 11s. Obviously the overwhelming majority of you are coming to our open evening. If you're coming to our open evening, you do not have to be in school uniform, although we would expect you look smart and respectable, but you don't have to be in uniform. Day students, you don't have to go home at 5:30 and come back at 6. You're welcome to stay. But we haven't arranged a meal for you, so we can't feed you. But if you want to go and get changed in the change rooms or in the bathroom or something at the end of school, that is absolutely fine. This school needs to be spotless. So as I stand in the stairway looking for bags, believe you me, I will not take kindly if you come knocking on my door this afternoon or tomorrow morning saying, where's my bag? I'm going to go and start rounding up bags in the next kind of 20 minutes. So that's 20 minutes this afternoon, so I haven't done it at lunchtime. That's 20 minutes of form time. If you've left a bag lying around, go and get it sorted, because it will disappear and there is no point moaning to me about it if that happens. You have been warned. Have a lovely afternoon, everybody. I will see you in the morning. Take care. Bye.